Hi, my name is Nick, Sales Manager at Safety Track. Today I'm going to be giving you an overview of our AI-capable mobile DVR. It's our 410 and 810. It's an industry first here at Safety Track with a multi-camera DVR with AI capability. AI capability is making an impact on the industry because it not only protects your drivers, but also the company, giving you forward collision warnings, lane deviation, and also when the driver is distracted, whether they're drinking something while they're driving, looking out the window, being distracted. It will protect them with an audible alert inside of the vehicle when those events occur. The DVR itself is very small, compact, typically placed inside of a glove box or a panel. Houses up to 1 terabyte of storage via SD cards. Of our indicator lights. Aside from the AI cameras, you can support up to 6 additional cameras, audio and visual aids. One unique feature about this DVR is it has what's called parking mode. In the event that the driver turns off the ignition, the DVR will continue to record and also be accessible to the remote features. Separate from the AI cameras, we have 5 additional camera options that can be placed in other locations inside the vehicle or outside the vehicle. Backup aids inside of a cargo area, locations like that. Also have many accessories that this DVR is capable with. Visual aids, lock boxes, SOS button in the event of an emergency, and also audio recording capability. This DVR is capable with our CMS interface to give you live streaming capability, remote playback, and real-time GPS. We'll also give you alerts inside of the interface on those AI events when they occur. For more information on this DVR and our other camera systems, visit us at safetytrack.com.